So today we have one bunch of data set, which is some details of some new candidates, newly applied candidates, in which we got this DOB, date of birth, in different formats, some in the dots format, some in dash format, some in backslash. So in this today we are going to correct it in a same way, like dash, otherwise backslash only. So in which, at the first, let's check it who is in the date format and who is in the text format, in which these are in the date format, some are in the text format. Let's change it. Let's go to the find and replace function. Let's replace dot with dash, and let's replace what we call dash, now backslash, by dash. All are done. Dots are not done. Okay, we have another way of replacing it. Let's convert it into date format, and let's go to the custom better, in which we can directly do this, and then this, and the what else? Yeah, this is the right way to make dates format. Dot with this. Now it's in the date format. Now it's in this raw data set, and the date is in the different format. So in this case, in the text format actually. So in this case, we have to make it in date format. Let's go to this. Let's go to custom. Literally got into go in the custom and dd, and then best is this. We can do it by directly by date format also, but we can do this also. Yeah, this is our this is well managed now. So we can change our date format in this way. You can try it whenever whenever you are stuck in your data arrangement process. You can apply these tricks. So guys,